Look at that. This done gave me a ball cap. This is a wig connoisseur. I'm trying to be. This is the wig connoisseur. My first lace front. I cannot believe this is happening. But now I can tell my clients I did it. And I can really give like an honest, you know, non-biased review on it. Because people will ask me questions about like lace fronts, and I'm like, I just can't see doing all that work. Granted, it is a lot. I mean, I guess it's not that much, but no, this is a lot of work. But I think it's just the maintenance of it. So I'll get a chance to see how that goes this weekend.
Blow dryer.
Blow dryer. How many layers is that?
That was 2.
2? I think I want to do 4.
Okay.
I'm going based off people at YouTube.
You don't want it to dry completely, but you also don't want it to, you want it to kind of turn white. So the white.
Yeah, clear?
Clear, yeah. You don't want it to turn white. Yeah, like how it is on that side. It's dry, but you want it to still be tacky. Take it off. You want to saturate the hairline thoroughly in alcohol, and it'll come right up. Like just the way it's tacky, like this, so quick.
For $30.
And like, look at how little you need. You get what I'm saying? So that should last you a while. I think this is pretty much like Ghost Bond. I don't understand what the difference is now that I'm looking at them. Alright. This should be good.
Don't pull on that, baby. Y'all, look at that. I'm not mad.
Spray, you just have a new cap, and I'm spraying. I got to be sprayed off.
Y'all. Beauty by Burnham and J. Nicole Customs collab. Stop playing with me. Thank you. Done. This is nothing but scalp. Absolutely in love. This was her first closure. Don't mind my edges. I kind of got to play around with them. I ain't never had this many edges to work with before. As you can see, this side is kind of bare versus this side. But this is so cute. I'm so happy how it turned out. I gotta still press the roots so it'll lay a little flatter, and then that's it. But this was so like easy. Sorry for all the shit I was talking to people about lace fronts, because wow, I'm one of y'all now. I like this. I like it. I think I'll always do my curly hair as a lace front. I really will. I like this. Shout out to my